Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Peter Rabbit today, and so get those pencils ready. Here we go. So to start with, I'm going to draw the shape of his head. So I'm going to start with a nice, gentle kind of arch like that. And then I'm going to draw like kind of a letter C here. And a letter C here matching up at the bottom, and then I'm going to kind of come down just a little bit so there's a little bit of a hint of a chin. Okay, then I'm going to draw the eye. So one of the eyes goes over here, and it's kind of like a soft triangle with, here's the inside part, and I'm going to let a little bit of light be in there. And then the other eye is way on the other side. Again, it's like a soft triangle, so the edges of the triangle are not real hard. And then I think he's like cross-eyed here, kind of funny. All right, then the nose is just gonna be a little line like that, kind of a little U. And then we're gonna have a line coming down and around, down and around. Then we're gonna have another line at the bottom here, just like so. Then we're gonna have his little whiskers, like that. And then here goes his ears, because what's a rabbit without ears? So they're just gonna come up and kind of curve around a little bit and then curve back. And then we're gonna have the bottom ear coming out and around. And then we're gonna have another line that mimics this line right here, over here. And that is one ear. And then the other ear is gonna be kind of the same, like that. And then we're gonna come down and back around. And then this one is gonna have a line coming up and then coming back down, kind of like this one. All right, so there is his head. So now we're gonna do the body. So for the body, first we're gonna draw just a little neck like that. And then he's got his jacket on and he's got his arms coming out and back down. So like a little triangle. And then we're gonna have a little cuff on his jacket right here. And then his jacket line comes back like that. And then for his little Peter Rabbit paw, it's just gonna come down, boink, 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 and back up. And then he's got a little jacket on. So we're gonna draw a little line here, and then it's gonna come around like so, come around with some lines in here. Okay, and then he's got this backpack shoulder thing that's gonna come diagonal, and then that's where his shoulder is, and then it's gonna come back down like so, and then it's got some little doodads on there, some little detaily stuff. There we go. All right, now we're ready for the other side of his jacket. So it's gonna come up, then it's gonna come back down. And it looks like there's like a little line here, little kind of folds in his jacket. There we go. And then it's gonna come down, come across, come back up, down and kind of out, across, back up. And then he's got a little pocket here with a nice soft rectangle. All right, then this part of the jacket comes down, back up, and then we've got another shoulder, arm thing coming across like that, and then it comes back up down. And then he's got his other little pocket here that kind of comes out more, and then this comes down into it. And then he's got a few buttons, little detailies. And then we've got his little Peter Rabbit paw right here that is kind of on his hip. It's kind of showing some attitude. All right, so now for the Peter Rabbit leg. So it's gonna come out, down, in, so out, down, back in again. All right, and then for the little foot, it's just a curved line, boink, 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 little curves here. Got some little foot lines in there like so. And then it's gonna come back up and across. And then let's switch over to this side. So now we're gonna come out, down, back in. This one's coming out a little bit more. Boink, boink, boink. Because it's showing the side of it more. There we go. And little there. Looks pretty good. And then we've got some little leg lines in here. And there is our friend Peter Rabbit. I think I'm gonna draw a little carrot here. Here's the little stem, little round thing, little carrot. Woo! Yeah. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.